Knowing is not enough. What you do with what you know is exactly what can get you hired. You cannot get a job as a software engineer by mere theoretical knowledge, right? Simply because in the tech industry, we believe in practicality and not in theory or mere talks. So if you want to get hired as a software engineer, you have to stick with me to the end to get a first-hand advice from a senior software developer. Advice number 1. Always do well to deploy your project on a live server. It is simply because employers are not interested to see any project running on the local host, right? Because if they want to hire you as a software engineer, it is a must to showcase a project that is being deployed on a live server. So that is extremely important. Don't worry, you don't need to have so much funds to do that because there are some free hosting companies like Vessel, Heroku, and Netlify. So go ahead to deploy your project over there. Advice number 2. As a software developer, you must have a portfolio website that you can use to showcase your jobs to your clients or your employers. So make sure to build a portfolio website. Link all your projects to the website, alright? So when you share your portfolio website with your employers, they will be able to see some of the projects that you have done. However, if you do not have a portfolio website, check the link in the description below. You will see a React.js portfolio website and the ultimate Next.js portfolio website, right? So if you do React.js, you can actually use the link to enroll. It's absolutely free on Skillshare, right? So you can enroll right now and start learning. Advice number 3. Some of you junior developers always think you are not capable enough to handle the job. Simply because you are scared, right? You want to get established, fully established. You want to be perfect before you go get a job. Gentlemen, you can never be perfect while learning. So if you submit your application and get hired, the more you solve new problems, the more you get equipped, right? So new challenges will make you better. Do not stay out there trying to work your ass off, trying to improve yourself every day, learning and learning and learning. No, you have to be confident enough, compose the application, submit it to your employers, and then you get hired. Believe me, there is an information at your own disposal that a senior developer is not aware of. That is tech for you. Alright, this is all for now, and if you find this information helpful, do well to smash that like button, and otherwise hit subscribe.